What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Jon Moxley in WWE 2K26. So he isn't available in the official roster, that's why we need to download him from community creations. For that, go to the online section by pressing R1 or RB. Once you're on online tab, just select community creations from here. After that, select downloads, and then we need to choose our category as superstar. So I got the Jon Moxley creation on the first page itself, but if you can't find him here, then search for him manually. To do that, press Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation, or Z on your keyboard. Then it will open this section. From here, go down to bottom and add a hashtag. So we need to go to custom and add the superstar name in your hashtag. So it will be Jon, like this. Then select enter and hit search. Then it will start searching for that creation you have typed the hashtag for. So I have got multiple creations here. Let's pick this one and see the preview. So it is looking good. I want to download it. For that, go to download and download the creation in your game. So you can go through all of these community creations and pick the one you like and just download it. Once you have downloaded the creation, just go back from here, again go back and then go to the home page, start any of the match. So I'll just select normal one-on-one match here. Let's go with this arena and now select your superstar. So it will be Jon Moxley. He is a custom superstar. That's why we need to filter this category by custom superstar. For that, press R1 or RB and find the superstar you just downloaded. So it was Jon Moxley. So here it is. So I have got multiple Jon Moxleys here. I'm just gonna select this one and then pick the attire. So I'll select this and then select your opponent and start your match. So there we go. I have just started the match between Jon Moxley and Roman Reigns, and this match is looking pretty good, you can see. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.